Hi guys, welcome back to another video of this channel. In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer crypto coin from Coinbase Wallet to Bitget application in very simple steps. I will also show you that which network you have to select for the minimum fees, in which coin you have to pay the fee when you transfer crypto coin from the Coinbase Wallet. So must watch this video till the end. If you miss any part of this video, you may lose your funds. So let's come on the Coinbase Wallet application. So I have opened Coinbase application on my cell phone. So here you can see I have USDT and BNB in my Coinbase Wallet. So I want to transfer USDT from my Coinbase Wallet to Bitget application. So I have USDT in the BNB Smart Chain network. If you click on this, so here you can see that this asset is on the BNB Smart Chain network. So I have this USDT in the BNB network. So I have to pay the fee in the BNB. So if you have coin in the other network, you have to pay the network fee in the network coin. Just like for the Polygon, you have to pay the fee in the Matic. For the Tron network, you have to pay the fee in the TRX and the vice versa. So I have some BNB to cover the fees. Just like I have 4.43 USDT. So whenever I transfer any crypto coin which is in the BNB network, my fee will be covered from this BNB. But if you don't have BNB coin, first you have to transfer BNB from the any crypto exchange to Coinbase Wallet. So let's say I want to transfer these USDT. Click on this USDT, click on receive and copy this address. So now we are sending these USDT into our Bitget account. So click on this send, and here you have to set the amount that how much USDT you want to transfer. I want to transfer 5 USDT, and here you have to add the address which we will get from the Bitget exchange. Come on the Bitget exchange, come on the assets, and here you have to click on the add funds because we are receiving USDT from the Coinbase wallet. Click on add funds, and here you can see multiple options. I already on crypto, deposit crypto, or if you want to buy the crypto, you can use these options. I want to deposit crypto. Select the coin which you want to deposit. I want to deposit USDT. So now here you have to select the network. The network should be same on the both sides. Currently we have USDT in the BNB network. So here you have to select the BB20 network. So also here you have to select the Binance Smart Chain network, which is BB20. Click on this. So if the network is not same on the both sides, you may lose your funds. Copy this address, and here you have to select that where you want these funds, on the spot, funding, or on the USDT AMP. You can say that on the future account. I want to receive on the spot. Copy this address. Now come on the Coinbase wallet, add your address here, confirm. Alright, so here you can see we are transferring 5 USDT to this address. Network is BNB Smart Chain, which is Binance Chain, and the fee is $0.03, which will be covered from BNB coin. If everything is correct, click on the confirm, thumb verification, successfully sent. Now here you can see it says your 5 USDT has been successfully sent to Bitget exchange account. But it will take couple of minutes to receive these funds on the Bitget exchange. Come on the Bitget exchange and let me show you. Come on the history button. Currently it is not deposited into our Bitget account. It will take some time validating. 15 confirmation are required. Currently 11 confirmation has been done. It will take couple of minutes to confirm these type of transactions. Sometimes it take less and sometimes it take more time. Refresh this. So here you can see $4.99 has been successfully received in our Bitget exchange account. So I hope you understand that how you can easily transfer USDT from Coinbase wallet to Bitget exchange. If you face any problem, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.